Programs. Okay. The book. And again, you all scare me. I'm always so
And we're pretty late Isn't that the truth? Let's drink to that. Let's drink to that. You know, I'm reading the biography of John Adams.
We're all the way over here.
There's a chair for that. And then my boyfriend.
Grant said it really is. Yeah. It's about maximizing existing resources.
Would the choir please assemble in the green room? I'm really impressed.
Those are going to come on.
Yeah, but are they yours?
Well, they get out there and find out. That's where
I think that one's supposed to be 11. Actually, has to turn off.
Someone who needs no introduction, Juanita Tobin.
And not a minute too soon either. Because it's getting so dark I can't even read my own writing. My first poem is Aging Interferes with My Diet. Age is something that happens, not like a course in college, and it doesn't keep you in shape, but gives you a dowager's hump and other assorted lumps like pudding in a girdle, and keeps you on tenterhooks as you eat your way through magazines counting calories that have a tendency to go to the table and, like memory, linger on in the mirror. I've thought about exercising, but I don't like to count chimpanzees. Age is when nature takes its course and you flunk. I think of this as I eat a sundae. And the title of this little nothing is Hazy, Hot, Humid, and a Hell of a Lot. I used to be a nurse, and that was the name of a special enema that I gave. This kind of day would make a perfect wedding present because I don't know exactly what to do with it. Heat bears down after a spit of rain. The broom and mop handles wait for my fingerprints. I turn on the television and remember going to a consolidated school. That's where the itch came from. There's bad news for fat people, but I just found a new wrinkle. It's in my ear. And I eat another muffin to fill it in. When you're oversexed, it makes you hard of hearing. And this is a poem I got out of the newspaper. It was a story in the Charlotte Observer. And 2 full pages with pictures and all, and I call it my newspaper poem, and it has every cliche you can imagine in it. And I loved it. I love cliches. I hope you'll enjoy it. Hundreds of people reported the school bus that plowed into a used car lot, hit 2 cars blocking the entrance, and maneuvered back to the highway with an old blue Concorde caught sideways in front of the bus. Police and rescue squads trailed, pleading for the driver to stop with bullhorn and microphone. The bus knocked along and rattled onward at 35 miles an hour until the driver pulled into a food mart parking lot to use the telephone. 2 small children aboard froze with fear in their seats, unable to speak English or their foreign language or their native tongue. Back in the driver's seat, she pulled out, hit an ice machine, newspaper racks, and propane tanks. 8 miles on down the road, the bus pulled over and swerved, and the Concorde slid off. She pulled over and told the police, "The devil made me do it." God told me not to stop. It has set me free. And my last one is, as the band played on, China Jones and I talked about the time we sold Cloverine salve, and I won a set of dishes. At 19, she was the winner at the ballroom dancing contest on the boardwalk in Wilmington. We agreed that the two most liberating events in our lives were hysterectomies and haircuts. We made pleated paper fans to give ourselves a little air as thunder gathered to clap.
cantore, ma non parlo di uccelli, come lì a cantare un bosco, alle parole, all'altro loco, sempre il grido stato sciolto, quando la maggiore caldo, allora tanto per il grillo buon cantore che c'è nell'ondo verso. Dalle gride, grillo, canta, dalle gride, grillo, canta, il grillo buon cantore. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2001 version of the Springhouse Farm Choir. Next on the program, fresh from Scotland, first time to the farm, maybe first time to America. Nick Spence and our favorite leprechaun, Ronnie Cruxley.
We're going to play three Irish reels. Well, the second and third are kind of Scottish derived. This is a lot of crossover there. And I'd like to thank Bill and Caroline for having me. these next two tunes are very, very Scottish. First one's a Strathspey, which is like a special tune that belongs to a special kind of dance. The second one's a deal as well. First tune's got this very grand title. It's called the Marquis of Huntly's Farewell. And a Marquis is a kind of a duke. Play it again.
Julian Will. And now for a couple of Yiddish folk songs. Beginning with Julian Will, and then Meg, Nick, and Ronnie will join us.
Are you missing this?
What? Let me see.
On there.
Out here, but later.
After this.
Right after that.
What?
Right after that.
Now fresh from a European tour, including Germany, Holland, and Ireland, their own homegrown Aaron Burdett and Andy Clark.
Hi guys. Well, we were high country until yesterday.
They have one of those in
Apparently
California.
there's another one. Now we're Puzzle Belly Boys, I believe.
All right.
Good name.
Because I know nobody's called that. We're going to play a couple tunes. One by John Hyatt and one I wrote. Microtonal. To the crowd.
show yourself.
It's not this one. Yeah. He forgot the chord book, so he has to use one of these.
After I use the paper for
Aaron's feeling frisky, so we move it up a half step, you know? Maybe even a whole step. It's me and Boozy, Susie and the Prince, lounging like we wanted on a summer afternoon. I ain't done nothing since the 11:15. Now the day is night and the bottle's dry and I'm looking for my home. There's nothing quite like a day upon the hillside, nothing quite as quick as a bottle between friends. This ain't the first day that I've wasted here drinking. Some says tomorrow I'll be sitting right here again. So it's me and Boozy, Susie and the Prince, lounging like we wanna on a summer afternoon. I ain't done nothing since the 11:15. Now the day is night and the bottle's dry and I'm looking for my home. It's me and Boozy, Susie and the Prince. Since the 11:15. Now the day is night and the bottle's dry and I'm looking for my home. I said the day is night and the bottle's dry and I'm looking for my home. Next to the lineup we have John Snyder and Meg Peterson.
There's supposed to be a line.
The first song we're going to do is called Baby and the Daisies, and it's not in your program. All right, one and a two. Blue sky, sunshine, little clouds blow by, peaches and cream, dream delight, a blue eyes open wide. Baby in the daisies, baby dressed in white, smile across your universe, no horizon in your sky. Oh, butterfly rubbing apart in harmony. As there I lay in me mama's embrace, till rock-a-bye obeyed. Beyond my trouble cease, again I breathe. A beauty beyond belief. Till I thirst again for a modern romance, skip to me, darling, again. Lulu, skip to me, Lulu, skip to me, Lulu, skip to me, Lulu, skip to me, Lulu, me darling. Very good now. Doesn't matter where me be, in a city or at sea, upwards I turn my eyes, for inside my brain what's not been trained. The music is always the same. Baby in the daisies, baby dressed in white, smile across your universe, no horizon in your sky. A butterfly, robin, a pie. Ooh, in sweet harmony. Oh, baby, daisy, baby dressed in white. Oh, oh, oh. Baby in the daisies, baby dressed in white. Smile across your universe, no horizon in your sky. Oh, butterfly, a robin, a pie. In sweet harmony. Oh, baby in the daisies, baby dressed in white. Oh, oh, baby daisies, baby daisies, baby daisies, baby. Next song called Tiny Red Arrows from Julia.
Yulia, would you come to stage front, please?
Well, let's try it. What could be more perfect with Bill and Carol in here?
Okay.
All right, let's go. All right.
I'm sorry. Exactly what are you going to do?
When Cupid shot the arrow straight through his heart, it went to kill what had been there so long, start another all over again. But only took one arrow, no need for any aim. 'Cause when she touched his chest and kissed his lips, the bullseye had been torn. Ho! Oh, the love that was there had been dying. The years just seemed to blur, and the memories of a better time are still there for what it's worth. Now we sit and watch the TV. By remote control we stare. when Cupid shot the arrow, he said, no longer do I love you. Oh, archer in the sky, will you save me? Oh, one more arrow, but wait before you shoot. 'Cause my heart is too been shot by a bow and arrow. Tiny red arrows make sweet love and also kill. Tiny red arrows make sweet love and also kill. Oh! One more time. Here we go. No feather in your hat, just your baby fat, but no one can resist your charm. All the hearts that dance around the head the moment your shots are born. Oh, to feel the words I love you and to hear them in return is the most potent form of magic my heart has ever known. Archer in the sky, will you save me? Oh, one more arrow, let's wait before you shoot. And shot by your bow and arrow. Tiny red arrows make sweet love and also kill. Tiny red arrows make sweet love and also kill. Oh! Here we go again. Very good. Oh, the new one came. She left soon. Oh, Cupid, have you no shame? None. Is there any other arrow or portion of its pain? And when you pull back that bowstring, understand this truth about love.